Hello, good afternoon. Welcome to MK Convenience Brokerage. My name is Mohammed. In this video, I'm explaining to you about the Visa Center if you plan to, call somebody from a different country. Obviously, in this video, I'm going to explain to you what documents you need, how it works, step by step. So let's get started. So obviously, once you apply for somebody's visa, there are some certain things you have to follow. For example, the vaccination requirement. Make sure in your country, whichever country you're coming from, so because I'm doing a general one, I can't basically talk about specific one, but if you're applying for, let's say, countries from Pakistan or India or Bangladesh, such as like that country, or even Saudi Arabia or any other country, you have to follow your vaccination requirement. Some of the vaccination requirements are basically getting measles, hepatitis B, obviously influenza type B, that's another one, that's variola, pulmonale, influenza. These are some of the vaccination you have to get that. And obviously, once you get the vaccination, you needed some type of letter to show proof that obviously you're coming to this country, such as the United States. They want to make sure that you are vaccinated. You're not bringing any type of diseases or any type of viruses to this country, which will impact everyone else. Obviously, again, this is one of the visa application requirement. Make sure everything is correct. Obviously, you have to bring some. Once you go to the visa interview, you need to bring some of the items. For example, your medical examination, your correct size numbers of photographs. They need that valid passport for all traveling applicants. Obviously, they need the OF-169 document, the DS-231, DS-232, passport, birth certificate. These are some of the items like over here listed you have to bring with you for when you go for the initial interview. Make sure you have all that. Copies and original, bring everything with you just in case. Obviously, this is the Department of State prescriptions. Obviously, you can read through it on your own. I'm not going to go over everything. It's going to be a long process to over. So, for example, number U, the application has a form New York City that is required documents unavailable. Whatever it is, these are some of the things they're going to be using to describing your status. Some of the reminders, make sure you bring original documents, as like I said. When you go there, obviously make sure you go to the application on time. The photograph, they have to be 2 inches by 2 inches by 5 centimeter or 5 centimeter, a white background. Failure to present these documents will delay your initial interview and delay your process when you're coming over here. So obviously this is the embassy in Pakistan, for example. Over here, your case number, your applicant name, and everything else should be over here listed as well. Obviously, if you were issued a J1 visa, work, study, or live in the United States for exchange visitor or whatever the case is, that's another part of the visa as well. Obviously, if you're 20 years or older, and obviously if you're permanent 21, obviously remember you have to contact the embassy, because a lot of times if you're below than 21, let's say if your father gets in the United States and applies the visa for you, you don't have to go to the you don't have to go to the interview process, because your father applied for you and you were under 21. That's how it usually works. The age limit is different in each country, so make sure you follow your country's guideline. This is an application for the DS-230 Part 1. Obviously, you just fill out the information over here. For example, your family name, first name, middle name, other name used. If used, not applicable. Date of birth, age, place of birth, nationality, gender, marital status, permanent address, obviously address in the United States where you're going to be going. These are some of the information you should fill out, obviously, when you go there. Father's family name, first name, middle name, father's date of birth, current address, mother family name. Some of the things you have to fill out. Again, this is part 2. Again, you put on, if you're applying for more than one person, you put down more than one person right over here. Again, the same thing, city, zip code, employer, whichever applicable, you fill this information out. Another sample of this as well, you put the information over here, name, date of birth, place of address and everything, you put the information right over here. And once you do that, that's about it, that's it. So I just wanted to show you certain quick, how this works and everything. Thank you for taking this time to watch the video. I hope you guys, I hope explain to you as much as possible about the visa status and everything. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any other questions, comment, or concern, please comment, like, subscribe to my videos. I'll be having more other educational, informational videos coming up. Thank you for taking this time to watch this video, and I hope I helped as much as I could. Thank you.